Pathmonk's qualification flow, also called a product selector, helps your visitors find exactly what they need. By answering a few simple questions, prospects are taken to the right product, category page, or landing page. These flows work great for e-commerce businesses that need to cut through decision fatigue. But it's also an ideal tool for companies that want to increase qualified leads, directing prospects to the right landing page after answering a few qualifying questions. To create a qualification flow, go to your AI Configuration tab and then create a conversion goal. You can create a qualification flow under different conversion goals. For instance, under Book a Demo, you have the option of using Pathmonk's booking tool. This will open a qualification flow. If you are in e-commerce and want to choose the purchase conversion goal, you can also use the Sell Best Sellers using a product lead selector. Under Start Trial, you can also check the Collect User Details for trials, which is also a qualification flow. Under Collect Leads, you have the same option here, and under Other Goals, it's labeled as Quiz. Please take into account that in all cases, this is a qualification flow. Let's create a qualification flow for an e-commerce as an example. Just give your goal a name and save it. There it is. Click on it and go to Tracking Method. Add your CTA and configure your booking form through this link. This will take you to our qualification flow page. Within the qualification flow page, you can choose from one of our predefined templates. If you prefer, you can also start from scratch and build your own logic. We usually recommend starting with a template. In this case, we'll select this one. Here you can see different nodes: a start node, one question, possible answers, and the end of the flow for each path. You can easily modify it so that each answer takes people to a different destination or group answers to the same destination. Let's begin. Click on the Start node, upload your own image, and add a header. Once you're happy, click Save. Next, let's move on to the first question of our flow. Add your question, save it, and then set up the possible answers. For example, the first answer could be weddings, the second formal, and the third holiday. Now you have 3 possible answers. Because of the template we have chosen, 2 of these answers will lead to the same destination, while the third will go somewhere else. This gives you an idea of the flexibility you have. In a real case, these could be different category pages. Let's click on the End node. By default, it shows a lead form, but you can switch it to a redirect. Here, we'll redirect to a category page showing all party dresses. Save it, and that's your category page set up. For the other path, we'll do the same, but redirect to a single product page instead of a category. You can also choose to collect leads instead of redirecting. Simply change the node to a lead form. Add a title such as Contact Our Sales Team, and include input fields like name, surname, email, phone number, or even free text so visitors can leave a message. Once you're finished, add the button text and customize the thank you message that will appear after submission. You can also provide a URL here to redirect visitors after the form is submitted. For example, to a thank you page, an offer page, or another category. With this example, one group of visitors is taken to a category page, while another is guided to a lead form. Feel free to adjust the end nodes as needed. Decision trees can be as simple as a start and an end, or as advanced as a multi-step flow with several branching paths. For lead generation, this means you can collect more detailed data than a regular form. E-commerce brands often build large trees to guide customers through multiple questions, then redirect them to the right product or category page. Whether you keep it simple or build advanced paths, qualification flows help your business cut through choice overload, qualify prospects, and drive more conversions.